Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this quick Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can highlight cells with negative numbers in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get started. Now take a look at this workbook here. I have several numbers here and some of them are negative values, and I want to highlight all the cells that has negative values in this worksheet using conditional formatting. Okay, so simply select the data range and then click on the conditional formatting under the home tab. Click on highlight cells rules. Select less than and write 0 and click on this drop down here and select custom format and change the font color to black and change the fill color to whatever color you want. I want to highlight all the cells with yellow color, and that's why I selected this fill color and click OK. And if I click OK again, and you can see all the cells that has negative values has been highlighted. So all the fill color has been changed to yellow, and you can see if I click here, this is -5 single value, and if I click here you can see it's a formula. So that means in this way you can highlight the cells that has negative value, and you can do this with formulas also. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.